So in today's very exciting video, Flower Beauty has partnered up with me to showcase their new collection that's going to be available at Ulta Beauty and on flowerbeauty.com. I'm going to show you guys their new Pop Fanatic collection. It consists of 6 eye pigments and 6 vinyl lip colors, which are very, very vibrant, as you can tell. So I'm very excited to show you guys these colors because, as you know, I'm a very neutral type of person, but I wanted to bring out something new. For the eye pigments, look how cute the packaging is. There's 6 different shades. One is called ZING. I love the names. The pink one, like the darker pink one, is called Buzz. And then we have WHAM, which is a lighter pink color. It's called Bang. Green is my favorite color, so that's why I'm really excited to try out the green one. And then we have Fizz and Splash. So these are the 6 Pop Fanatic eye pigments. It's kind of like a cream pigment. So it is a cream-based product. It's not a powder. But these are the lip vinyls. This one is called SHAZAM, Pop, KAPOW, Zap, Wow, and Boom. So I really wanted to try a yellow shade because yellow just looks so pretty. So I'm going to show you guys how I apply this guy, and I'm literally just going to apply this all over my lid. I'm just going to brush it off. So I'm just applying this yellow, and then with a blending brush I'm going to blend the yellow onto my crease. Just looks super pretty. If you don't want to have a lot going on, like a full lid of color, you have like a very neutral look, you could just pop this color in the inner corner. I'm going to pop on some lashes so you guys can see what it looks like. So while I wait for my lashes to get tacky, I'm going to take the Pop Fanatic vinyl lip color, and this is in the color Zap. They're very glossy and very, very pigmented. Look at that. These are very, very high shine. I'm so excited to be playing with these colors and trying out these different formulas.